Welcome. Let's learn the 100 most common English words for A1 level while listening to the peaceful sounds of the Australian forest. You can use this video for simple shadowing practice or for listening practice while you sleep. Relax with the gentle nature sounds as you learn Australian English vocabulary in a calm and easy way. Let's begin. About. About. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. After. After. Let's eat after work. Let's eat after work. All. All. All of the shops are closed today. All of the shops are closed today. Also. Also. I like coffee and also tea. I like coffee and also tea. Always. Always. She always takes the train. She always takes the train. Am. I am waiting outside. I am waiting outside. And. I'll have salt and pepper. I'll have salt and pepper. Animal. Animal. I saw an animal at the zoo. I saw an animal at the zoo. Ah. Ah. You are very kind. You are very kind. At. Meet me at the park. Meet me at the park. Baby. Baby. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Back. Back. I'll come back tomorrow. I'll come back tomorrow. Bad. Bad. That is a bad idea. That is a bad idea. Bag. Bag. She put it in her bag. She put it in her bag. Be. Be. I want to be happy. I want to be happy. Beautiful. Beautiful. The beach is beautiful. The beach is beautiful. Because. I'm late because of the traffic. I'm late because of the traffic. bed, bed. I'm going to bed. I'm going to bed. Big, big. This park is big. This park is big. Book, book. This book is easy to read. This book is easy to read. Boy, boy. The boy is smiling at me. The boy is smiling at me. Brother, brother. My brother is tall. My brother is tall. Bus, bus. The bus has arrived. The bus has arrived. But, but. Today's weather is sunny, but windy. Today's weather is sunny, but windy. Bye, bye. I will sit by the window. I will sit by the window. Call, call. Please call me tonight. Please call me tonight. Can, can. Can you help me? Can you help me? Car, car. The car is red. The car is red. Cat, cat. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Child, child. The child is hungry. The child is hungry. City, city. Melbourne is a big city. Melbourne is a big city. Come, come. Will you come with me? Will you come with me? Computer, computer. The computer is new. The computer is new. Country, country. I am from a different country. I am from a different country. Day, day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Do, do. Do you understand? Do you understand? Dog, dog. The dog is running. The dog is running. Door. Door. Please close the door. Please close the door. Drink. Drink. I need a drink. I need a drink. Eat. Eat. Let's eat dinner. Let's eat dinner. Family. Family. My family is here. My family is here. Father. Father. My father is short. My father is short. Find. Find. I can't find the bus stop. I can't find the bus stop. Food. Food. The food is hot. The food is hot. 4. 4. This is for you. This is for you. Friend. Friend. She is my friend. She is my friend. From. From. I am from Melbourne. I'm from Melbourne. Get. Get. Please get a ticket for me. Please get a ticket for me. Girl. Girl. The girl is smart. The girl is smart. Give. Give. Give me the pen. Give me the pen. Go. Go. Let's go home. Let's go home. Good. Good. The coffee is good. The coffee is good. Happy. Happy. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Have. Have. I have a car. I have a car. He. He. He is my teacher. He is my teacher. Her. Her. Her hair is brown. Her hair is brown. Here. Here. I live here. I live here. Him. Him. I know him well. I know him well. His. His. That is his bag. That is his bag. Home. Home. I want to go home. I want to go home. House. House. This is my house. This is my house. How? How? How are you? How are you? I like to walk in the park. I like to walk in the park. In. I am in bed. I am in bed. Is. This is my phone. This is my phone. It. It is cold. It is cold. No. No. I know the way there. I know the way there. Learn. Learn. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. Like. I like music. I like music. Little. The baby is little. The baby is little. Live. I live in Melbourne. I live in Melbourne. Look. Look at the map. Look at the map. Make. I will make some tea. I will make some tea. Man. The man is very tall. The man is very tall. Many. Many people are waiting. Many people are waiting. Me. Please call me tomorrow. Please call me tomorrow. Mother. My mother is very kind. My mother is very kind. My. This is my bag. This is my bag. Name. What is your name? What is your name? Need. I need to drink water. I need to drink water. New. new. This phone is new. This phone is new. No. No. No, I don't want to go. No, I don't want to go. Not. Not. I am not tired. I am not tired. Now. Now. Let's go now. Let's go now. Of. Of. I'll have a cup of tea, please. I'll have a cup of tea, please. Old. Old. This book is old. This book is old. On. On. The cup is on the table. The cup is on the table. One. One. I want one ticket, please. I want one ticket, please. Our. Our. Our teacher is nice. Our teacher is nice. People. People. Many people are waiting. Many people are waiting. Place. Place. This place is very quiet. This place is very quiet. School. School. I live near my school. I live near my school. See. See. I see the train. I see the train. She. She. She is my friend. She is my friend. Shop. Shop. The shop is open. The shop is open. Some. Some. I want some bread. I want some bread. Thank. Thank. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. They. They. They are all students. They are all students. Yes. Yes. Yes, I would like another. Yes, I would like another. You. You. You have been very helpful. You have been very helpful. Thank you for spending time here in the Australian forest. Please subscribe to learn more English in Australian nature.